What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have a very special unboxing to do with you guys. As you can probably tell from the thumbnail, what's in this box is a Hinderer. And it has been a while since I have purchased a new Hinderer. If you've been following this channel, you'll know that I sold my other two Hinderers. One was my Safe Queen, but I sold the other two to pay for a Medford Praetorian tie. That was a dream knife of mine, one that I just kind of wanted to experience, and I did, and I enjoyed it. And then I decided I was going to sell it and buy some other stuff. One of the things that I decided to buy was another Hinderer, and this was, a lot of you probably know that I've hinted at there being a Hinderer knife that at the time had not been created yet, and I was waiting for it to come out. This isn't that. This is one that I kind of realized I might want to take the opportunity to get this one because this is a part of a small batch run, and I've only owned this variant one other time, and it was during Gen 4. I have never experienced this variant of Hinderer knife, or this XM18, which it is. It's an XM18, in Generation 6. So I am very excited to get into this here and show you guys my brand new, not a used knife, brand new, Generation 6 XM18 non-flipper. That's right. There's no flipper on this guy. You can see there on the back, it's just sort of rounded off, and you can see the tri-way deal there. Now, from my understanding, in Generation 4, these non-flippers had really light detents. And while that's good for people wanting to thumb them out, it made it kind of unsafe, as far as deployment, because the blade would come out so easily. They decided to increase the detent on these new non-flippers so that the blade wouldn't come flying out, but also so that it would coordinate well with the bearings that come pre-installed. Remember, this is a tri-way, so you have options for the bearings, the phosphor bronze washers, or the nylon. I'm going to go ahead and deploy this for the first time. Oh yeah, yep. That felt really good. I'm really excited about that. That is super cool. So as you guys can see here, what we've got, let's take a look at the lockup. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. What we've got here is a Spear Point CPM 20CV stonewashed non-flipper Generation 6 XM18 with a black scale. If that's not a thing of beauty, I mean, that is just a beautiful knife. This is really, really cool. And it ticks, oh gosh. Okay, guys, hang on a sec. Let me do that again. This is fresh out of the box. Are you serious? This is the smoothest XM that I have ever experienced. No detent lash. Dead centered. It's perfect. Well, it's almost perfect. There's really only one other thing to do, and that's install my, of course, the coveted full titanium unmilled. This is an OG titanium scale, no Hinderer logo. This is a textured titanium scale that kind of crowns king, or in this case, Safe Queen. My current Safe Queen XM is what this does. So with a little bit of movie magic, we'll be right back here in a sec, and I'll go ahead and install that. All right, and there you have it. That is the Gen 6 XM18 3.5-inch Spear Point in 20 CV, no flipper, and full titanium. I have to say that this is, it came together perfectly, but this is the smoothest XM18 that I've had to date. The detent is absolutely perfect. The lockup is perfect. Everything on it is perfect. I'm going to play with this and handle it and kind of just do my thing before I come to my conclusion, but I am very, very happy with this. I'm going to try and keep my emotion out of this last part because I want the review to be real and I want to have time to kind of mess with it and get my honest thoughts on it, but I'm really, really excited about this. So anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's short little unboxing. I hope you found this at least entertaining. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.